Hey, hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see how we can create a flow diagram using MS Visio. Let's step in and see the process now. I have opened Visio. Once we open like other Microsoft programs, we will have the recent files at the bottom and we might have multiple templates in Visio. We could have more templates here there, and in the bottom also you can see many categories and various templates available in MS Visio. So whenever you are creating a flow diagram or a process diagram, use any templates for what purpose you are using it. Because for example, if you are trying to do a home plan, so here you could see it has all the objects or shapes related to it. So every time you know need to pull the diagrams or the shapes in your project. So let's begin, and in this video what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a cross-functional diagram, cross-functional flowchart for my company, Taru group of companies. So actually I'm going to create a cross-functional flowchart for the recruitment process. So once you open Visio, this is the first window you will get, and you could see in the left hand side the basic flowchart shapes and cross-functional flowchart shapes. Everything will be listed there. And if you need additional shapes, always what you can do is click on more, and in there you will have the various kind of shapes available. So whatever is required you can get it from there. For example, if I'm doing a network, I can add that particular shapes. If I don't require, then I can go back and deselect them. It will disappear from the left panel. Okay, so let's begin the process now. So first let me modify the title, and I don't need this face and all, so I'm just going to delete this. Now I'm just modifying the title as Taru group of company and recruitment process. Now I am going to modify the function. The first function is management team, because they are the one who always ask for the resource. So that is where the process starts. So I'm just modifying the first function as management. Second one is our HR team. They are the people who create the openings, job openings in the job portal and take care of the process. And I need another function, that is the management, sorry, the technical team, the technical panel who actually do the technical interview and choose or validate the candidates whether they are eligible or not. So to add any swim lane, I just need to select it and drag it to the project. Okay, so let's start now. I'm clicking the start with, I'm dragging the start and end button or the shape, and I am mentioning start. After start, the management team has going to do a process, like they are going to intimate HR team about the opening. So the HR team need to know management require a resource. Then the next process, when you click on the shape, you could see four arrows appearing. And if I click on that arrow, it will automatically create a link between the two shapes, whatever the shapes I am going to create. So there is no required to create a connector manually. Now I am creating the functions for HR team, like job portal opening creation and searching the appropriate candidates. So whatever the process they need to do, I am creating the process diagram for them. So scheduling the interview with technical and management team, and interviewing the candidates is the part process for technical team. And here comes the first decision diagram, and in that technical team is going to decide whether that candidate is capable or not. And if they are capable, the person is capable, then it should go to the management. Like management team will have a check with whether the candidates has the management side ability. And if I don't find a connector, I can always go up and choose the connector and connect the shapes. If it is yes, then it should go to management ability. And if the candidate is not technically capable, then it should go again to the search and choose appropriate candidate. So the HR team need to do that. So whenever I click the connector, double click the connector, I will have the option to modify. So I can choose whether yes or no. Again, I am adding another decision to HR team to finalize their salary, because if the candidate is not demanding more, then the HR team need to make a call on that. So the finalizing salary is okay, then they will close the opening in job portal and end the process. So this is how we can create a simple process. So if the finalizing salary is not done, then again the HR team need to search for a candidate. So this is the process, recruitment process diagram for a thorough group of companies. And here in the design, I can choose whatever the design I require. And in the variants, you can also see the internal shapes is getting the different colors, and whatever is needed, I can choose that. And if you want to see how it will originally appear, click on view menu and choose the presentation mode. So this is how our process document will appear. Then if I am not satisfied with this, what I can do, I can modify the themes, I can modify the variants. So whatever is okay for me, I can choose that. I can create something simple, or I can create more colorful. So we might have a bunch of designs, and I think this one is okay. So I am saving it and it is okay for me. So here like that you can choose whatever the color or whatever the design you require. Okay, so we have created, and now uh, we all know the Visio is very costly. So when I try to save it as other file type, we have multiple option like PDF, JPEG, GIF, anything. So I can save it as PDF so that the opposite person or the receiver of that flowchart, that he doesn't require Visio in his PC. So I can share it as a PDF so that anybody can open and see it. I can also share it as JPEG or anybody. So this is how we can create the process document in Visio in few minutes. So I believe this is useful for me. I believe this is useful for you. So have a check on this, and creating the flow diagram in Visio is really simple. Make a try, and if you are fine with this, if you are happy with this video, kindly do subscribe, share to your friends. Have a good day. Bye.